folks, my next little short video is something I did in the last video, and the last video, and the last one before that. Because I've been making individual videos because I just feel like it. And then later I'll lump them all together and make one big long video of these things. So, in the bag over here, in the bag, I have this thing, which I want to show you, I have no idea what this does. So, bear with me. This is a pair of vice grips. Can someone tell me what the hell this is for? There's a little plumbing gadget on the bottom. There's a hole right through here. Comes out the other side. This unscrews. I don't know if it's for some type of refrigerant. This is all rusty in here, this thing. It's really smooth. It says Irwin. This is made by Irwin, though. It's not an original. This is a 10R. It's got a little holdy thing here. This turns, this unscrews, and there's some rusty, I don't know. I'm assuming this was holding on to something. This looks very, very, very professionally done here. Like this is not a, this has literally been reinforced to death. And you know, look at it, like there's so much stuff in here. This is, it's been built and polished and almost like chrome. It's really cool. In the last video, I showed you this one, but this is rough. This is built for speed. Like, look at this. This is really cool. It's in good shape. I have no idea what it's for. I don't know what it does. Don't know. I can't even, like, I'm assuming maybe some tubes right there. Maybe it was for crimping off refrigerant or something. I don't know. There's a set screw. I should dip the front in the vapor rust and clean this off. See if I can get this off of here maybe. Put some penetrating, heat it up some. I don't know. I don't want to wreck it though. There's a star and a one on. It looks like it was, I don't know, chromed. Because see, this is not the same. It's not the same vice grip finish. See. This is a much smoother, either that it's been used so much that the finish is worn down. But yeah, anybody got a clue what the hell this is for? It's adjustable. I mean, maybe you can use the hold Sharpies. People can put their cigarette and they go, "Oh, welcome to 1840." And we just smoked a big little, what are those things though? People used to hold. They hold their cigar, or it could be one of those. I don't think so. Hold Sharpie's good though. Good, right? I'll do a video. Yo, that's what we do. Cap, put the Sharpie in there. I don't know what it does. It's definitely not a Sharpie holder. Don't know. I have no idea, but I thought it was cool. I'm going to add it to my completely ridiculous vice grip collection. Do I have a bunch of ridiculous ones? Of course. Anyway. With that said, don't forget to like, subscribe, click a button, leave a comment if you know what it is, if you know anybody knows what it is. If any other YouTubers have used one of these, send me a link. And thanks for watching. Have a good one.